So right now I am, I guess, on the backswing of the Double Arches short loop in northern Tennessee. I'll put the name on the screen because I can't exactly remember where we are. Just picked out a good trail and saw that there were some cool arches here and decided to stop off. And I think there are a few more trails that go by some arches just north of here, up into Kentucky, things like that. I did forget my GoPro, so I'm lugging this pretty heavy camera around. So that's why it looks like I've got my camera right in my face, but I'm holding it at the end of my arm. And just an FYI on this trail, there are a lot of stairs, go up and down a lot, but you know, this trail that I went on was just over a mile, and there's a longer loop that goes about 5 miles. I'm gonna head on back to the car, get on the road a little bit, head north, maybe get into Kentucky and see what that has to offer. So far I'm liking the Appalachians, but I'm definitely not in good shape, but it's a good time to get in shape. Peace. We're at the Kentucky and Tennessee state line in the Big South Fork River National Recreation Area. That's a mouthful. Headed into Kentucky. Daniel Boone National Forest is next. So Gobbler's Arch is a very short trail. I think it's a half mile out and then a half mile back. So maybe right at a mile or a little bit under a mile. So if you're not, if you're like me and you have a bad back and a couple of bad knees, this would be a good one for you. I can only imagine this tree was struck by lightning, but if you can see all the way up there, it's still alive. Yesterday I decided I'd take a random trip up to northeast Tennessee, southeast Kentucky, western Virginia, and I'm currently in Kentucky at Gap Overlook. Well, guess what? I found my GoPro in the bottom of my bag, but that's all right. I got to use the new camera, the bigger camera, get a little bit more familiar with it because I've been meaning to do that. But again, I really appreciate y'all sticking around, following me through this little journey that I'm going on. And if you like it, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm going to try to do more hiking, camping, maybe a little bit of catch and cook type videos here in the future. So stick around, and thanks for watching.